Is Sweet Pup Jelly a scam, or is it actually worth your time? Let's cut through the fluff and get right to the point. I downloaded Sweet Pup Jelly after seeing it pop up everywhere, and here's what you need to know. It's a real mobile game, available right now on big platforms like the Google Play Store. In fact, it just dropped an update in January 2026, so it's definitely not a fake app. But, and this is a big but, don't get sucked in by those wild promises about earning real cash. Yeah, you might see ads or reviews saying you can make $100 just by matching some jelly pups, but that's mostly hype. The reality? Sweet Pup Jelly is all about quick, casual fun, not making you rich. Gameplay-wise, it's super chill. You can play it with one hand, making it perfect for those 5-minute breaks. The audio is cute, with little paw beats and tail wag sound effects. The visuals? Pretty adorable, honestly. Now, let's talk about the not-so-cute stuff. Like most free games, Sweet Pup Jelly makes its money from ads and in-game purchases. You'll see lots of ads if you play for free. And if you're ever offered a huge payout, especially if you have to watch endless ads or pay a processing fee, that's a major red flag. Do not, and I mean do not, give out your bank info or pay fees to unlock your winnings. Real money apps like FreeCash or Cash Giraffe never ask for that. Always use trusted payment processors, not sketchy pop-ups. Bottom line, Sweet Pup Jelly isn't a scam, but it's not your ticket to easy cash either. Play for the fun, skip the hype, and keep your info safe. Still curious? Drop your Sweet Pup experiences in the comments. I love hearing your story.